Good morning. It's just after 8 o'clock, 8:06. It's September 8th, 2020. Curry Trading Television. We are looking at a weekly chart on the Dow Jones. So what we're doing here is kind of explaining about the gap and my prior supply that turned demand. So if you've been following my playlist, indices playlist, which would be the NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones, which I don't have any S&P or NASDAQ. I'm kind of focused on the Dow Jones because that's what you see on TV all the time. The market's closed down 159.4 on Friday. This is the gap that I've been talking about in previous videos. This is the prior supply that I've been talking about that has turned demand. Supply is sell, demand is buy, green is buy, red is sell. So when you see these red and green, that means that it was a prior supply that did not work, which is fine. I really didn't expect it to work. It's just a place to be aware of. So I did a video on the gap was filled, now what? So the now what was, go to a daily chart. After the gap was filled, you get, what day was this? September 3rd, a down day. September 4th, Friday, was a down day. The markets was closed on Monday, yesterday, Labor Day. They'll open today at 9:30. If they were to open today, they still would open down about, let's see, about 100 and some change. Right now, futures are down 173 points. So back to the weekly chart so you can see the gap. Gap is filled. Got some down pressure after this pro gap was filled. It came to my prior supply turned demand, which means buying. So we got some buying pressure here. That's why you got this wick. Got some buying pressure. That doesn't mean the market is going to go up and make new highs. It can potentially come up here and try to make a new high, and it probably will try to do that. But I doubt that it's going to make a new high. So when the market's open today, again, I'm thinking the futures are pointing down. So I don't think this prior supply turn demand is really going to hold much water. And if you can see, I have three other demand zones, 1, 2, and 3. Each meaning you're going to get some type of buying. What type of buying, you don't quite know. Is it going to bust and make a new high and all that stuff? That is the question that remains to be seen. And which one of these demand zones is going to actually give us the support we need to really recover from the COVID crisis, which is what you see here. This is February, March. You know what I mean? Now, this is all COVID. This is a somewhat of recovery from COVID. And people aren't really getting new jobs. People are getting the jobs back that they already had. Again, I don't know how many jobs has been lost over this period, but it's 30 plus million jobs, if not 40 or 50 million jobs that have been lost. And you've probably gained half of those back at around 22, 24 million jobs gained back. So with that being said, expect the Dow Jones to continue to sell off until they find the right bottom for buying pressure. If this last zone don't hold, ladies and gents, we are going for a nice long ride toward 15,000. And I said a long a long time ago that the market could actually hit 15,000. So just some things to be aware of. Buying opportunities are coming. So if you are in the stock market or looking to get in the stock market, don't be in a rush. You are not missing anything. Again, I'm a pro trader. I am not a novice. And I haven't gotten rich yet because the opportunity has not shown itself yet. If I had 50,000 bucks, I probably could be rich off of some of this movement here, but we had a bull market for 10 years. Trump's only been president for 4 years, and we've been in a bull market for 10 plus years. So that kind of speaks for itself. So yeah, I consider myself a pro trader. I've been trading now for 4 years, 5 years. I've been learning for 4 or 5 years, and my opportunity has not shown itself in the stock market yet. Of course, there's stocks that done shot up and shot back down, but hey, I haven't bought those particular stocks. I am a retail investor as far as finances are concerned because I am still waiting for that opportunity to show itself. Now, granted, this was an opportunity here when the market came down, but the way I think about things, sure, I could have bought then and, made some money off of this, but I'm patient enough to wait to see the retracement or the correction and possibly get in at lower rates and cheaper rates on the stocks that I like. My watch list is pretty long over here. I got a lot of stuff on here, a lot of blue chip stocks. I got marijuana stocks. I got the tech stocks that everybody want, and everything is falling into place. Just got to be patient. So if you follow and subscribe to Curry Trading Television, I'm telling you, the buying opportunities are on the way. If you are interested in trading options or stocks or anything, be patient. The opportunity is still coming. You have not missed anything. So Dow Jones, again, I expect it to open down today. I'm sitting here thinking if I'm going to go work out or not. I probably will. I'm running a little late this morning. I got up a little late. I didn't get out of the bed till about 4 o'clock or 4:30. I usually get up about 2:30 or 3 o'clock. So, because I'm a Forex trader first. So yeah, I got Forex videos and all that stuff on my YouTube channel. So again, I'm trading the Forex. I'm buying the dollar. I did a short little video on the US dollar on how you can trade it with $50. And also I'm trading the euro in Forex and watching these stocks and waiting for the opportunity. Curry Trading Television. Like, subscribe, share. And remember, Warren Buffett says, when you buy a stock, expect it to be down 50% or more, and you have to be comfortable with that. When you're in a stock position and the stock is down, that does not mean you're losing. All that means is the stock is down. The object is to go long. You don't buy a stock and expect it to produce for you in a month or a week. Now, don't get me wrong, it can happen like that, but you shouldn't expect it. When you buy a stock, you are buying a stock for the long run. Options are a little different. When you buy an option, you're holding that option for a few months or several weeks or whatnot, whatever the case may be. Stocks, you can hold stocks for years. So just imagine if you bought a stock when the stock market was at 6,000 when Obama took president. Just imagine if I knew that, what to do back then. I didn't, but I know now. So we're waiting on the opportunity to come back to us. This is going to pull back or correct. And when it gets here, 18,000 and some change, look for some buying opportunities. Especially once the election gets here and we get a vaccine, things are really going to pick up. So thanks for tuning in. I hope I can get y'all to start to subscribe and share and like my videos, because I can definitely show you how to make some money in these markets. So thank you. Curry Trading Television. Like, subscribe, share.